Hello and welcome to another video from 55 degrees north. Today we are back at the construction site of the Newcastle United Fan Zone to see what progress has been made since my last visit on the 7th of February. You can see all the previous videos in the Fan Zone playlist on my channel, which gives you a good idea of what work has taken place since I started shooting these videos. Looking down from the top of the stairs on Strawberry Place, work is continuing on the trench where the little path used to be situated to install more drainage pipes. Moving down onto Gallagher to give you a better look at the work which is taking place in this area. Moving a bit further down, there is still a lot of groundwork taking place here. Not a lot of progress in this area at the moment since my last visit to the site. 3 lampposts have also been delivered to the site, ready for installation at some time in the near future. And some rebar has been delivered, obviously for some concrete work to be done. Also, a lot more steel girders have been delivered since I was here a few days ago. Moving on up to St Andrew Street to the top part of the site, no work has been done here at all, apart from it filling with more water. So that concludes today's video of the construction update at the Newcastle United Fan Zone. So please consider subscribing to the channel. A big massive thank you for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up and hit that bell notification when I release more videos.